Okay, today we're going to make an account group for vendors. Now, vendors can be different, and how different can be the vendors? Let's see that. Um, Account groups for vendors. They can be groups for local suppliers of material. Material can be raw material. Material can be SFG and finished good. Okay, and they can be foreign suppliers for materials, import material, and they can be vendors for services, uh, for expenses like internet, like stationery. Okay, and uh, we can have separate suppliers for raw materials, semi-finished good, and finished goods. Same for materials for foreign suppliers. And in this case, foreign currency valuation will be done and it has to be configured, which is not difficult. So in our case, to make BD46 vendors for Toyo Nasik, right? And it will have a numbering range. In SAP, the concept is quite simple. First, before S/4HANA, vendors were separately made in FI, in MM, and these were not accessible to other modules. Now, in S/4HANA, the difference is you cannot make uh, a vendor in FI, MM individually, but it is made in cross application module. Cross application module means you can say cross module. So if I make a vendor, it can be accessed by FI, MM, SD, HCM with just one numbering code. For example, if the number code is 101 for that vendor, so it will be the same for HCM, for SD, for MM, FI. So the advantage is synchronization, reporting, and transactional level relationship can be understood as to how is our relationship with the vendor. Okay, relationship means transactional relationship means how many transactions have been done, how is the payment behavior, how is the supply behavior with this vendor. So S/4HANA has centralized the vendor master data process, which is called business partner, because your vendor becomes your partner because it is part of your business. Okay. Why? Because they're supplying you services and material. Okay. So the process is quite simple. The process is like this. First, you make an account group in FI. Then you choose numbering range in FI. Then you make a grouping in cross application module. Then you join account group with grouping. Plus grouping has its own number range. So same number range has to be matched. For example, if the number range in FI is 100 to 199, at cross application module at grouping level, it should be 100 and 199. Only then it will be synchronized. Okay. So we will see how vendors are made. So we'll go new entries, BT46, Toyo Nasik, vendors BT46. Okay, BT Raja Usama. BT46. Okay. Once this is done, then I have to check number range. Okay. The number range that are available to us are the ones which have external check. Now, what is external? External over here is nothing but it is the authorization given to grouping that yes, you can make the vendor at cross application level, not at FI level or level. Okay. So this external check is very important. So I have to see 311 B2 312. This is 0. This is external. Okay. I can use this control Y. B2. I will copy it and I'll compare it. Where? In grouping. Let's see. Okay. I have LO control Y. I can use my own numbering range, but right now what is available to us will be used. Okay. Okay, but it should have
Can we
external.
generate this as well?
Yes, we can generate it. You can copy it. You can pass it on to other tiers as well. R8 control Y.
What is the meaning of SS, yeah, SP, yeah, RA?
This is just
Is this
names
just
of,
a number?
there's just names. There is no, it's just a label, it's just a title given to number range. Okay, now I will actually go to cross application components. Over here, I have SAP Business Partner, Business Partner, basic setting, number range and groupings, define number ranges, interval. Okay, now I have the list B2. Where is B2? B2 21212. 21212. No, it's 31 and 312. This is cancelled. Okay, LO. LO 500 500 209. 500 500 299. 209 is being used. Okay, same number range. I can use this. So my next number range will be 210. Okay, so I can use this LO. Define groupings. The groupings will be the same. New entries. BT46. Toyo Nasik. BT46. Toyo Nasik. BT46. Number range LO. Okay. Enter. This is done. Okay. Once this is done, I will go back. Create number ranges, assign number ranges to vendor account groups. BT46 LO LO not defined for vendors. All right. Can I do by that? Okay. Save. Okay, once this is done, I go back to cross application components. Business partner field groupings are done. Sorry, number engine groupings are done. Master data synchronization. This is the next step. Customer vendor integration. Business partner settings. Vendor integration. Define BP role for direction vendor to BP. Field assignment. Direction vendor to BP. Okay. Master data synchronization. This partner setting vendor integration. Your category. FL million 012. Okay. Missing one step. I can't recall it.
Your voice is not clear.
Legal forms, legal entity. Properties, no. Vendor integration. Missing one step, I don't know what. This partner, six settings, partner roles, offering, groupings, field attributes for BP1 for a field for the type, number ranges and groupings, define groupings. This is done already, but we have to assign it. Number range is assigned. Okay. Field assignment, find attribute, no. Synchronization of master data, no. Just not clicking at the moment. Number ranges, layout groups, field grouping, cross application. Journal data transfer. No, 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 no.